Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you two job opportunities. One is coming from IBM and another one is coming from Infosys. Okay. So if you are new to my channel, then you can please consider subscribing. I upload these type of videos on daily basis, so you will get job opportunities and internship opportunities whenever I'll upload videos. So you should subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. So this is our first job opportunity which is coming from IBM, and this job role is for associate system engineer. And let's see who are eligible for this job role. So you can see here the eligibility is a bachelor's degree. So if you are completed your bachelor's degree in any engineering branch, then you are eligible to this program. And this job location is going to be in Karnataka, Bangalore, and category is technical specialist, and it's going to be full-time job. Okay. So it is a very good opportunity if you want to get a job in IBM for a technical role. So let's see what are the required technical and professional expertise. So you can see the required technical and professional expertise. You should have all technical functional software and soft skills. Your communication and negotiation skills should also be good. You should be able to solve the problems easily and effectively. Okay. So these are some preferred technical and professional expertise. If you are having these also, then it will add a value to your profile and your chances of selection will be improved. Okay. After that, you can see here if you are from BTech, BE, MCA, MTech, ME, then you can apply to it. You can see here every branch is eligible like computer science, information technology, information science, applied electronics. So if you are from any of the circuital branch, you can easily apply to this job opportunity. Okay. So let's see how we can apply to it. You can click apply now button here. After that, it will land you to this page, and you can fill this form if you want to join their talent network. You can see here if you want to join their talent network, you can fill this form. If you don't want to join, you can click no thanks, continue to apply. After that, you will be on this page. From here you can easily apply. You can see this apply now button, you can click here, and if you are new to this website, then you can sign up, or if you are having already an account, then you can log in with that account and you will be applied for this job. Okay. Now let's see our second job. Okay. If you are still with me on this video, then please like this video. It gives me immense motivation and it will also help me to make more videos like this. So please hit like button and also do subscribe to my channel. So let's see our second opportunity which is coming from Infosys. So this is our second opportunity which is coming from Infosys. Okay. And this is for technical process executive. And the location is going to be in Pune. Okay. So if you are from any engineering degree, then you can apply to it. And your degree should be completed for both of the job roles, like for IBM and for this Infosys also. Okay. And this job is for BPO service line. You can see the responsibilities like communication and customer service skills, active listening and questioning, an eye for detail to determine the root cause of the issues. And you can also read all the responsibilities by yourself. Okay. You should also have analytical and problem solving skills. Time management skills should also be with you, and some basic computer skills like MS Outlook, MS Excel, Lotus Notes, or some basic concept of networking. And you should also know about MS Office. Okay, these are the preferred skills and these are the generic skills. And if you have completed your BTech, BE, or any engineering degree, then you can apply to this job. Okay. Now to apply to this, you can click on apply. You need to sign in. You can sign in with any of your account. After that, you need to put your personal information here. Okay. So you can fill your information like that and you can click on submit. Okay. And after that, you can see their privacy and data protection policies and you can accept and proceed. And after that, you need to fill your profile again. After filling all the details, you can click apply and you will be applied to this job. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then you can please hit like button and please share this video with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. I upload these type of videos on daily basis, so you will get notified for every opportunity I'll upload. Okay, so let's meet in the next video. Thank you.